remind me the three forms of matter. Three forms of matter.
Yeah, we can see this thing right here.
Right.
It's coming up from the bottom.
We're pretending that this is a cloud. Now, if I continue to leave it over, it's catching the water vapor. And sometimes when you're in your car and this condensation is happening, what do you like to do? You like to draw on the glass.
Nice. The big one? No, this one. Never mind.
You guys,
1 inch. It's 1 inch.
Why does this one take up more space? Matthew?
Because it's filled with air and that one's not.
Okay.
It's like larger.
So this one's larger because it's filled with air. What is air?
Yes. Yeah.
This one's kind of thinner.
4
How much did
grams.
the blown up balloon weigh?
Actually 5.
Half
Yeah,
a
5
gram,
grams.
right? Half.
80, that's a little. Why don't you try moving it to 50? Try moving it to 50 and that. What? A little light. Try moving it all the way to 7. I can't see. Yeah. Try moving it to 30, then put this up to 6. Maybe we can move it to like Here, can I try? Yeah, wait. Can you try moving it to 30? And then move this up all the way to 10. Rachel, I think you might be right. If you move that all the way up to 30. Hey, let's move all of them up to the front. Okay. Try it. It might work. Move it to kind of like 60. Too heavy to move that back. This is difficult.
You guys, this has to either be here or it has to be here. So you might need to start over again.
Oh.
Try this one. Well, the ingredients that we're going to use are cornstarch, which is this powdery stuff that you see here. We have 2 other ingredients. One is water. Food coloring, we're going to mix yellow and blue to make green, so our oobleck is green like it is in the book. We're going to use 2 cups of water, 4 cups of cornstarch, and a little bit of food coloring. Now I want you to think about, will the oobleck be a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Once we mix our solid and liquids together, we're going to predict. We'll just pour it all in the bowl. Very good. We're going to drop in our food coloring.
Yay!
Be poured in. Thank you, Miss Cause. All right, now let's get a little stirring done. Can you stir a little bit of our oobleck there?
I'll stir it.
Can you, Bryson, stir a little bit of our oobleck there? Is that easy to stir up?
No!
No. It feels like a solid on the bottom. When I get a big chunk like that, what do you think it is?
Liquid.
A liquid?
Liquid and solid. Ew.
I can cut into it, and it kind of looks like a solid. But then, when I hold it up,
It's like a liquid.
a property of a liquid is that it pours. Oobleck is a solid and a liquid.
You can make anything with it.
I want somebody to come help put some cake batter together for me. We have to add some oil. And I'm even going to pull in some fraction work here since second graders have been working on fraction. If you can go up to the board and write 1/3 for me, I'll let you pour some oil into the cake batter. Good, thank you.
Yeah, they're called ooze cakes.
And then how much was
Is all the second graders going to eat it?
Okay, so we said most of this is a liquid, right?
Yes.
Most of this is a liquid. I'm gonna mix it all up for us. original form?
Yes. No.
Thumbs up if you say yes. Thumbs down if you say no. It's a solid, it's a liquid, it's a solid, it's a liquid. First it's a liquid, we freeze it, it becomes a solid. We add heat, it becomes a liquid. What do I need to add to my cake batter to change it to a different state of matter? What does this become? It becomes a solid. How does it become a solid? What does Mom do with this batter?
She cooks it.
She cooks it with heat, doesn't she? What happened to our batter when I added heat? It turned into cupcakes. Now, like our frozen ice pop, can you change this back to a liquid?
No.
So some matter, boys and girls, cannot be reversed.
Does it change shape? No. No. Does it weigh more than the empty bag? See? It weighs more. So you were right. I was right about the bug.
So if we're looking at 3 states of matter, what would the vinegar be?
Then, wait, a liquid.
A liquid, okay? So that's the liquid we're going to work with. And we're going to pour that into our bottle.
Why do you need that too?
So would you say that baking soda is a solid, liquid, or gas? Solid, liquid, or gas?
Solid.
And I'll shake some in slowly this time. You have to- Okay, let's see what happened. What's the balloon filled with now?
Gas.
Gas. What happened?
It turned into. Can we do one?
How did it turn into gas?
I want to do it. It turned into gas because the baking soda in the vinegar wants the baking soda made the vinegar rise, and then the water made air go in. Awesome. It's a volcano is when it explodes and it goes all over. Look, this my hand is volcano.